What's up, everybody? So this next step, I'm going to be cutting out the drawer sides along here, and then let's see, all those. So we have 12 drawer sides. They're all going to be identical. I'm going to be using the same methods, just using a jigsaw and setting up a fence by clamping it down to the board. My neighbor lent me this table, so that's going to help me tremendously instead of using the old juice barrels as a work table. So yeah, I'm really just going to line it up and knock it down and start with those drawer sides. Here we go. Alright, so there we have it. 12 drawer sides all cut out. I'll be using the Craig jig again to put pocket holes here and here and here and here, and that's how we're going to attach it to the drawer backs and the drawer fronts. So slight change of plan. When I tried to use the pocket holes to attach, this is the side, this is the back, it just busts right out the back here. So since it won't be seen anyways, I'm just going to use these finishing nails, and I'm just tacking, this is the back, down into the sides of the drawer, and I think that's going to work out just fine. And to attach the drawer bottom, I'm just using the exact same thing, tacking nails down into the sides, and then along the back into the back of the drawer. Super simple. Alright, so now I'm attaching these sliders to the drawer. These have a little lever inside, so they just slide out of there. And now these are 5.5 inches on center, but I want the drawer to float off the ground just a little bit. So I've measured 5.25 inches from the bottom to this line on center. Then we just line this up and attach it with the screws, and then it'll slide right back in to that slider there. So I wanted to do a test drawer before I build the rest, because I have used these sliders in the past, and if you aren't spot on, they don't really work. We aren't going to stain the inside of these because they're going to be for clothes, so we don't want our clothes to absorb all that stain. But we are going to stain the faces and put some hardware on them. But yeah, so there you have it. We got 2 done. 3. Number 4, number 5, and 6. Ooh. Alright, so as you can see right here, we have our bed frame with the 6 drawers all attached to the sliders. I don't have the faces on there yet, but that's going to be a later step. Next up, I'm going to put the platform boards down. I'm going to be attaching them with these just 1-inch fine threaded drywall screws. It's going to be fine, just enough to hold it in place. So we're going to get the platform down, and then next up after that, I'll do the drawer faces, and then I'm going to be building a headboard as well. So yeah, here we go. Alright, thanks for joining me on this video. Go ahead and hit the like button, let me know what you think in the comments below, and of course subscribe to stay tuned. In the next video, we're going to be finishing this up by cutting out and staining the drawer faces and attaching those as well as the headboard. So I hope to see you on the next video.